Varsity girls, Battle of the Birds. First quarter, Lowell's Francesca Baldwin and Allison Louie both scored 4 points. Louie with a rebound. But a Cardinals injury allowed the Eagles to slowly climb back. Three-pointer. Lowell ended the quarter leading 16-10. Tiffany Lowe driving, putting up a two-pointer in a back-and-forth second quarter. Good defense from the Cardinals. A steal from Karina Garzona. And Baldwin with a steal, which Garzona picks up. Lowell entered halftime leading 27-24. Baldwin pass to Toy. Madison Toy. Swoosh. Louie with a free throw. 11 of her points came via the free throw. She scored 17 points in total, scoring a layup here. The third and fourth quarters were dominated by Lowell and Louie, and the Eagles were unable to come back from a very strong first half. Lowell won 60-47.